on display at 2017 EICMA show and is slated to enter markets sometime in mid-2018. Benelli 752S will take on rivals such as Kawasaki Z650 and Ducati Monster 797. Benelli 752S once officially launched. Benelli 752S receives a classic design. It is built on a steel tube trellis frame. It gets Mazzocchi 50mm inverted forks and Brembo disc brakes along with cast aluminum wheels. Braking is via dual 320mm disc with 4 piston calipers in the front and single 260mm disc with 1 piston caliper at the rear. Special attention is paid to safety with an oscillating swing arm with non-center adjustable in-spring preload with 45mm excursion. Braking system gets ABS as standard and the 752S sits on 17 alloy wheels fitted with 120, 70-17 and 180, 55-17 tires. It has a 15-liter capacity fuel tank and engine that complies with Euro 4 emissions. A parallel twin, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected 750cc engine offering 81.5 horsepower power at 9,000 rpm and 49.5 pounds-per-foot torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute powers the Benelli 752S middleweight naked sports bike, which allows for excellent performance and better touring capabilities.